So we're going to hit saute, high heat. I added a heavy-handed tablespoon of olive oil. Next, we'll chop up some garlic. Add that to the hot oil. Then followed by some onions. Add that and let the onions get a nice brown color to them. Take your chicken breast. We're taking 2 chicken breasts here. And we're going to slice them in half. So here they are sliced in half, and I've also taken the tenders off them. So we've got quite a few little pieces here. We'll take 2 eggs. Then some Italian seasoning and Italian breadcrumbs. Now we're going to take the chicken, coat your chicken in the egg, now coat it in breadcrumbs. You also can use your own type of breadcrumbs. These are just Italian breadcrumbs. Now we're going to add a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Let it get nice and hot again, and throw in your chicken. I did it for roughly 4 minutes aside. You don't want to go too long because we will be pressure cooking these. Now add half a jar or more of pasta sauce. I use just over half a jar here. Followed by 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. Doesn't that look great? Put your lid on, set to seal, and you're going to set it on manual for 10 minutes. During this time, if you'd like, you can cook your pasta on your stove or whatever you want to put your chicken parmigiano on. Once the timer goes off, release it, and there you go. I wish you had this with smell-o-vision. This smells amazing. I hope you enjoy this. Salut.